Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the Moki ROM for this Redmi Note 3, and as you can see, which is based on Android version 10. So let's begin. This is the Moki ROM and this is the experimental, and the security patch level also you get is the 5th of December, the previous month one. The kernel you get is the Colamontan kernel. So yeah, these are the specifications, and now moving forward to the settings. This is the settings, just the same normal settings, and go to system. These are the customizations, these are the buttons customization, just the normal customization as you know. Then these are the system profiles, these are the status bar customization, just the same. And these are the gestures, you get to see the 3-finger swipe for the screenshot option, and you can turn it on from here. And the long screenshot option here is also available, so that is great. Then you also get to see the updater here. I don't know the update will available or not. I'm using this from around 3-4 days now, almost, yes, 4 days now, and I haven't received any update, so I just don't know this works or not. So these were the customizations available here. These are just the normal settings. I'll just not show you, just the normal as usual Android 10 ROM. This is, so yes, you get to see the digital well-being, the security, fingerprint here is working and everything. Face unlock option here is not available. Then talking about the battery life here, the battery life on this ROM is also just the average, not that great battery life, but better than other ROMs. So this is great, and you get to see the battery lights and everything. So these are the options available. You get to see the battery saver and performance. These are the modes available here. So yeah, this is just the great, just a normal Android 10 ROM. No such new thing here is available, and battery life here is also just not that great, I would say average battery life. Then this is the status quick settings, and here also everything is working. As you can see, Wi-Fi is working, mobile data here is also working fine. Then you get to see the torch and everything. The torch, as you can see, is working. The battery saver, the screen recorder option here is available or not. Okay, so screen recorder here is not available. This is a drawback, and you also don't get the recorder app here. You just have to download the external screen recorder from the Play Store. Screen recorder app here is just not available. Everything is just working. So this is just the normal. Then talking about the camera here, this is the camera. You get the Snapdragon cam, just the normal camera. And this is the Google camera 4.1 version I am using, as you know, and also the 7.3 version or the 6.1 versions of the Gcam. 6 and 7 versions of the Gcam here are just not working. So this ROM is just not for the camera here. Otherwise, talking about the safety net here, the safety net status has also not passed on this ROM. I'll just show it to you. So as you can see, the safety net status has passed, so banking apps will not run. Okay, so guys, if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel, and that'll be the name of the Telegram group here. You can join the Telegram group from there if you still haven't joined it, and also the link will be in the description below. And so guys, yeah, I bought a new laptop, so the unboxing on the detailed review of this laptop here is a video for that is also coming soon, so stay tuned. If you still haven't subscribed, then subscribe to the channel. The internet speed test here is also not an issue. I'll just show you. Currently I am sitting far from the router, and as you can see, there is only 1 point of the network. So I'll just show you the speed, how much we get when we are having 1 point. So let's see. Okay, currently I am having some internet issues with here, but overall the internet here is just not an issue on this ROM, as you guys can see here. So internet here is a little bit issue, but it is working in my opinion when the router is close, but when you are far from the router, then there will be an issue. Then talking about the performance, the Geekbench score, I was just not able to run As you can see, this is what happened. The phone just stopped responding and everything just got stopped responding. As you can see here, this is what happened here. So yeah, this is also a bug, just sometimes happen that everything just stops responding. This is the first build of the Moki ROM, for the Android 10. So it will get better in future in my opinion. So let's see how it gets in future, but otherwise everything is just working. The performance also is just not that great. The performance on this ROM is not that great. That is, you will have no problems with the calls and messaging. Everything is just working. YouTube is also working. So yeah, this was it. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.